Recently, we talked with award-winning landscape designer Nicholas Walker, who gave us a few ideas about how to get started.
I always say, listen, look at the site you have,
Right.
because here, if you look, this is all sandstone.
Right.
We are in a drought cycle.
Right.
We're in Southern California. We're in fire and water issues. So
Well,
this
I noticed there's no irrigation here and everything, so all of these plants, and I mean, darn, there's hundreds of them here, they're all surviving out here without irrigation.
That's right, Danny. And that's the whole issue right now, is to teach people that you can have a very varied plant
Right.
palette, interesting, and it doesn't require water, and if we have a fire, it's not flammable.
Right, right. And some of the other varieties, I know, like you have the ground cover, and I don't know the name of it.
Ice
so,
plant.
Ice plant,
Yep.
okay, okay.
What's great about that plant is, as you see, we're in a canyon. The fire will come up from down below and sweep up to the house. The house I am doing is a fire rebuild.
I
so the previous house burned to the ground.
Oh, boy.
In the '93 fire. So knowing that, I have designed sort of these terraces where you hope to stop the fire, and at each bank you have this ice plant, which produces flowers, doesn't require any water, and it's full of actually juice, and that will be like a fire retardant. So I always say, look at the site and look at your trees. Where do you want to have some privacy? Where do you want to have some shade? It's all the basic stuff, but some people just kind of step over the basics.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I tell you what, I can't wait until you get this place finished. I know it's going to take you a little while because there's a lot of work. A lot of work to be done here and everything. But we're definitely going to come back out and see how everything works out.
I would love that.